welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrunmayee and today I have brought to you this amazing video where I'm gonna show you 10 most affordable lipsticks. Yes, it's really hard to find some beautiful shades that will suit your skin, and even if you do, they tend to be a little expensive. So I have brought to you my 10 favorite lipsticks. Yes, just look at them. And the most important thing is that they are very affordable. You can buy them, they're like literally under 200 bucks. So yeah, I will be swatching them on my hand as well as on my lips so that you can get a better idea. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below your views and thoughts and everything. It will help me to grow. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first lipstick we're going to talk about is this beautiful semi-matte lipstick from L18. It's called First Love and it's such a bright pink color. Perfect to wear when you're feeling a little extra. It glides easily on your lips and stains your lips in a beautiful nude pink color. The MRP of these lipsticks are a little high, but you get a ton of discounts on Amazon. I've mentioned all the links below, so don't forget to check them out. Then we have this Oriflame Pure Color lipstick in the shade Tempting Brown. Now it's a little too glossy for my liking, but it's as moisturizing as a lip balm. This nude color with a brown undertone will suit anyone from a lighter complexion to a darker one. Again, we have another lipstick from Oriflame in the shade Ruby. Now it's a very unique color. A pink lipstick with a hint of brown to it. Perfect combination of cool and warm undertones. Its formula is a little satin and shiny. It could be perfect for a date night. Next we have this Oriflame Color Box lipstick in the shade Magnetic Magenta. Now to be honest, magenta is truly my favorite color. It's a vibrant color with a cool undertone. So if you want to get away from all the common pinks, this could really be a good option. Matte is in trend and L18 has the range to keep you trending. Apply a bold stroke of its lipstick in the shade Grape Riot to get the perfect look. It has a hint of purple and looks flattering on western as well as traditional outfits. So if you're one of those who are not a big fan of pinks and reds, this could be your go-to color. There's always a shade of red for every woman, they say. I have a perfect example for that. This L18 Colourpops range has both bright and muted colors. This Rockstar Red is such a beautiful bright red that will immediately bring out the sass in you. It's a semi-matte formula which looks amazing and is creamy. Who doesn't like to draw attention to themselves? Well, I do, so this one is my go-to color. This is again a different shade from the Oriflame Pure Color range. The shade is Daring Berry and it's very similar to the Magnetic Magenta but a little darker. Dark lipsticks can be easily pulled off in the night time. So if you're going to a party, you should definitely go for this one. Elatine's Colourpop matte lipstick in the shade Cherry Wine would perfectly suit all the Indian skin tones, especially the deeper tones. It has a satin matte texture, but you can make it a perfect matte by dabbing some translucent powder. The pigmentation is great, a perfect steal if you're looking for affordable lipsticks. Now we have this very beautiful shade called Blushing Nude from Lakme 9 to 5 range. The price of it is a little higher, but trust me, it's value for money. This nude shade has a pink undertone and it's perfect for everyday use. It's matte but it doesn't dry your lips at all. It has a primer in it so it easily glides onto your lips. Last but not the least, we have this beautiful shade from the same Lakme 9 to 5 range. It's called Red Rust and it's such a gorgeous red shade with a hint of maroon and it's perfect for a wedding. With the same matte formula, you have just one swipe and you're good to go. I'm a sucker for red lipsticks, and what's better if they're affordable and matte? Check these beautiful lipsticks in the description box below and you'll definitely buy one. So that's it for today's video, guys. These are my top 10 favorite affordable lipsticks. And on the top run is this amazing Lakme Blushing Nude color. This is so favorite of mine. Like, I love this color. This is a beautiful nude shade. That you can literally wear on any outfit and it looks gorgeous. I will see you on Friday and I am very excited for Friday's video because it's gonna be a little different from what I've been doing. So yeah, bye!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.